Hello and good afternoon or good morning. Welcome to the AMC Summer Camp. We are going to discuss experiment number 2, paper airplane. Now let's talk about the things you're going to need to make a paper airplane. You will need a tape measure. You will need a timer. You will need a piece of paper, and you will need a pencil. But for the first several steps, the piece of paper is all you need. Let's talk about step number 1. So for step number 1, all you need to do is take the piece of paper and fold it in half, lengthwise. Do not fold it this way. Do not fold it like this. Fold it lengthwise. Fold the long sections. So here we go. And make sure you fold it right in half and do it very carefully, because if you don't have it perfect, your plane is not going to be very good. So that's step number 1. Your piece of paper should look like this. Let's talk about step number 2. For step 2, you need to fold each of the corners down to the center line. So here is your piece of paper, and you need to fold the corners down. Now, the easiest way to do it is to do it on a table. So fold one corner first, and just like this, it should go right to the center line. Then go back down to the table and fold your next corner down to the center line. So you should have perfect folds down to the center line. And this is going to make for a very beautiful paper airplane. So now your piece of paper should look like this. Let's talk about step number 3. For step 3, you are going to make 2 more folds. And we're going to fold these corners on the sides into the middle. And it's a little more difficult. And again, you should use a table to make it easier on yourself. So take that corner and fold it down to the center line. It should look just like this. And then we're going to fold the next corner down to the center line. And when you finish, it will look just like this. So that's finished step number 3. Let's talk about step number 4. And step 4 is very, very easy. For step 4, all you need to do is take the 2 sides and fold them in half. So you take this side and fold it right in the middle, so you have a long, sharp triangle, just like this. Now, step number 5 is my favorite step. This step is very, very good because we are going to finish our paper airplane. So put it down on the table, and you should fold the wing down to where it's almost the same as the wing you haven't folded. So down here should look almost the same as the wing up here. And your second fold is going to be easy because you can already see the line you need to fold. So here we go, and let's make the second fold. Whoa, look at that. That is a beautiful paper airplane. All you need to do now is put the wings up. Oh, we finished our paper airplane. Now, let's take a look at what we are going to do with our paper airplane. You need to find an open space. So maybe you have a big classroom, a gymnasium, or a nice place outside where you have some room to throw your new paper airplane. You need to make a line, a straight line with some tape, or maybe you can use some chalk outside, and you and your classmates or your friends can line up behind that straight line to throw your new paper airplanes. We're going to throw the paper airplane 2 times. And we're going to time how long, use the timer to time how long the paper airplane flew. And we're going to use the tape measure to measure how far, the distance, how far the paper airplane went. So you record each of your 2 throws of the paper airplane and see who is the winner. Maybe who is number 1, who is number 2, and who is number 3. And once you've done that, you've finished the paper airplane experiment. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your brand new paper airplanes. Maybe you can take them home and play with your family. Thank you. I am Teacher Abe. Have a great day.